Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to another episode of Touring Baja Homes. I'm Renee, your couple realtor. Today we're in Marina, Sol 102. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, 2,300 square feet. Property taxes on this condo for the year are $335 US. We're a block and a half from Medano Beach, 2 blocks away from the Marina access, a couple blocks from downtown. It's very centrally located, lots of fine dining restaurants around us and activities to do. And also the amenities within the resort include security, a pool, heated pool at that, and they have a little palapa style restaurant, and there's some ping pong tables and a few games set up. So it is a resort style development, and again, like I said, it's central downtown, so it's a great location for rentals. If you're looking for more information, please contact me, Renee at loscabosagent.com, or call me 619-363-4140. Thanks for your time. I hope you enjoy the video.